Welcome to this English speaking practice with the shadowing technique on the topic of making simple phone calls. In today's lesson, we're going to practice phrases for making phone calls in English. This is a super useful topic for beginners. We're going to see together how to introduce yourself, how to say your name and why you're calling, how to make a request, ask for what you need politely, how to deal with problems, handle a bad line or a misunderstanding, how to make an appointment, book, confirm, or cancel a time, and finally, how to end the call. Say goodbye naturally. I'm going to ask you to repeat the phrases after me. And I really want you to try to copy my voice, my rhythm, and my pronunciation as closely as possible. So every time you hear me say the phrase, repeat out loud and try to sound just like me. Ready? Let's go. Introducing yourself. My name is Maria Rossi. I'm calling about my appointment. I'm calling from Luca's Pizzeria. This is James Brown calling. I'd like to speak with the manager. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a new customer. I'm calling on behalf of Dr. Ferrari. Could I leave my phone number in case you need to call me back? Making a request. Could I speak to Mr. Johnson, please? I'd like to make a reservation for this Saturday. Can I book a table for 2 at 7 o'clock? I'd like to order a large margherita pizza, please. Could you hold the line for a moment, please? I need to reschedule my appointment. Could you repeat that more slowly, please? Great job. Dealing with problems. I'm afraid he's not available at the moment. I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch your name. I think we have a bad connection. Could you call back? I'm sorry, but the line is very noisy. Could you speak up a little? I can barely hear you. I'll put you through someone who can help you. Making an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Clark. Is Wednesday at 3 o'clock convenient for you? I'm afraid that time doesn't work for me. Could we move it to Thursday afternoon? I need to cancel my appointment. I'm sorry. Could I get a confirmation by email or text, please? Perfect. I'll be there at 2:30 on Friday. Ending the call. Thank you very much for your help. Have a lovely day. Goodbye and take care. Thanks. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I really appreciate your time. Goodbye. Take care and speak soon. Well done. Amazing work today, everyone. You've just practiced over 40 real phrases that native speakers use every single day on the phone. That is a huge step forward. Remember, the more you practice shadowing, the more natural your English will sound. My advice? Come back to this video a few times this week. Each time, you'll notice your pronunciation getting smoother and your confidence growing. You've got this. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel to be notified every time I upload a new lesson. Subscribe to unlock all lesson PDFs and exclusive members-only videos. Click the like button. It helps more learners find this channel. Drop a comment and tell me, which section did you find most useful? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.